The support that SPN has given me has been fantastic. I mean, I could not do that without them. It's organizations like that we need and the principles that they stand up for.
Right now, we're at SPN's headquarters in Arlington, Virginia, planning our events for tomorrow.
This is about a choice and a voice for our workers across this country.
What the union's doing to teachers and workers is devastating, and it's immoral and it's unconscionable.
I support Mark Janus because I want the freedom of choice of paying union dues. Here's my story.
Worker power! SPN, our role is to bring people together from across the country. I don't think there was a person in the organization who didn't touch this rally in some way.
We should have a choice! We should have a voice!
And we are grateful to Mark Janus for stepping forward with courage, knowing that what was happening to him was wrong.
You know, I can't do this on my own. I'm only one person. Because without the SPN folks and that support, this couldn't happen, period.